Hi guys, today I am heading to Lowe's. I want to see what they have for the home and garden and houseplants. So let's go ahead in. It's Jack Skellington. And the craziest one of all. So we've got some arborvitae here. There's green giant. This one is emerald green. I actually kind of like the emerald green better. They look a lot thicker compared to the green giant, at least for now. Hibiscus, always gorgeous. Head over heels adore. Beautiful. Ooh, that scared me. These look like butterfly bushes. Butterfly bush, dapper white, beautiful. Knockout roses. I'm not a huge fan of knockout roses. These are petite knockouts. They're cute, just not a huge fan. More knockout roses. They just don't look special to me. But you guys might find them beautiful. True blooms, gorgeous yellow flowers. Summer parade hibiscus, that's beautiful, gorgeous. Rebecca, it's like Black Eyed Susan. That's it. Little gold star. Should have known because it was awfully small for what I was thinking. Aster. Oh, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Mums. Gorgeous, gorgeous. What are these? Some kind of daisy. Shasta, Becky, Shasta daisy. Blue speedwell. I think I have some of these in the garden. I don't think they lived very long though. Salvia. The texture on this is so beautiful. It's soft. What is this? Monrovia what? Emerald spreader, Japanese yew. Ooh, that is soft. Crotons for fall are just beautiful, give beautiful fall color. Crotons as houseplants, no go, no go, no go. See, Lowe's has the good clearance. Home Depot, no clearance. Well, not as much. What are these? Dwarf Morning Glory, cute. Is this the same? Yeah, it looks the same. Dwarf Morning Glory. Cat's Meow. Dianthus. Coneflowers. They have so much clearance here. It is. I've never seen this much. Ooh, this Dianthus is pretty. You guys can absolutely rescue these. What are they? You guys should absolutely rescue caladiums, even if they're in distress, because you can save the bulbs for next year. So if you can get them on super deep clearance, bring them home, trim them up, leave them out for the season, the rest of the season, and then dig up the bulbs, save them for next year. Begonias, you can propagate and kind of keep these indoors over winter if you want. Where's my ZZ chameleon? I don't see it. Nothing I need right now. Let's see. This combo is just a bad idea. All of these plants have different care requirements, so if you buy these, separate them right away. Palms are spider mite magnets, so just beware when you bring them in your home. Ooh, is this a lipstick plant? Cute. Kind of want it. Kind of not. Here are some little Crotons. Just remember, these guys are as finicky as fiddly figs, or all figs. So you bring it home, it might drop all its leaves, but it will grow them back with proper care. They are spider mite magnets, so also beware of these. Now we're entering the clearance section. Nothing good here, so it's time to leave.